Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to do gingham on this, and I did include a free printable, but these are some other options you could use, the tissue paper or the spring napkins at Dollar Tree if you want to do a gingham Easter egg. And we're going to turn this into an Easter egg with a little bashful bunny behind it. Now, I designed this free printable. I will include a link to this free printable down in the comments below this video. It is an orange and white gingham, and it already has the words on there, Hello Spring. So it's a total time saver. I printed mine out just on cardstock, and I used Mod Podge to put that on there. Mod Podge and cardstock are great together. You don't get that wrinkling. I just sand the edges to make sure the paper is cut out perfectly to size and seal the whole thing with some more matte Mod Podge. Now for the Bashful Bunny. We're going to turn one of the little faux burlap bags from the Dollar Tree into a Bashful Bunny, which is going to be like just the bunny hiding behind the egg. So what I did was I cut out a bunny ear, just kind of freehand, it's pretty easy. And then I cut out a second one for the back. So now I'm going to need to do that again. So I'm going to need a total of 4 bunny ears because I do want to stuff them a tiny bit to give them a little bit more dimension. So the bunny ears are going to be peeking out from the top of the Easter egg. And then for another little part here, we're going to need to do like a bunny foot. I just did a really easy one with a little bit of the bunny arm on there too, so I can wrap that around. And then I'm going to need to do a front and back, and I'll need to do the same thing 2 more times. So I need a total of 4 of the front bunny legs that are going to be holding the egg so I can stuff those as well. I love crafting with these faux burlap bags from the Dollar Tree. They have a plastic coating on the back that lets you kind of sketch out what you want to do. And it's so easy to cut and it doesn't fray, as you can see. So I did the back bunny feet as well. Those are going to be at the bottom. And of course I did the front and back, making sure to mirror them so they would go together great. And then I'm going to start putting this little Bashful bunny together. So it's not going to be a whole bunny. It's just going to be the parts that you'd be able to see from the front. I just used hot glue to attach the front and back and used a tiny bit of polyfill. It won't take much to add a little bit of plush to our little bunny rabbit. And I did the same thing here with both, gluing everything shut at the end, no sew for sure. And these are going to be at the bottom. So the bunny is going to be holding a giant Easter egg is what I want it to look like, but also hiding behind it, little Bashful bunny. So I just attached those with hot glue there to the bottom and have them peek out. For the bunny ears, same thing. I'm just going to glue it and add a little polyfill. It's kind of best to make a little pocket if you can and glue the whole thing shut. I love the fact that they are partially stuffed like this. I found that that was a little bit easier to glue it all the way there for the ear. It just gives it so much more dimension, makes it look like a little stuffed animal. And so for the ears, I'm going to have them kind of going out to one side like that. I just attached them with hot glue to the back of the Easter egg. And then for the little bunny front feet, I'm going to glue them, make a little pocket, put a little bit of plush in there. I don't really stuff the arm too much because I do need it to wrap all the way around the egg like that, like it's holding it. And I don't do them symmetrical. I do one a little bit higher just to give it a little bit more interest. Now my chunky egg doesn't really stand anymore, probably because of the bunny feet that I put underneath of it. So I just took some wood Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree, glued them together, and made a little stand. This is how he turned out. I think he's a really cute or little Bashful bunny. And if you would like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. I have hundreds of videos over there. Until next time, happy crafting!